Welcome back to Karis Investment, where investments are made simple. Guys, my name is Ken, entrepreneur investor in the stock market, real estate, and of course, doing my own business. Guys, I have been creating videos just like this for the past year or two to share my experiences when I make profits or when I even make losses on stocks that I think are a great opportunity. Now, in today's video, we have a stock that I think have great potential. There's a massive upside to it. You just got to get in at the right time. Now, the most important thing that you can do before you invest, guys, yes, the most important thing is to do proper research. Now, before we jump into it, let's go over what we're thinking of this stock. Shopify is an e-commerce company. As you guys know it, it allows you to sell to your customers online, in person, and in different ways. Now, guys, if you take a look at the stock now, there's a few things about Shopify that you must be aware of. The company have completed a 10-to-1 stock split recently. So this is why the stock price is completely different than what you are used to. Now, basically, the price right now, it closed off the market. If you're trading on the Canadian market at $40.70. So a few months back, the same price would have been $400 per share. Or if you go even further in the last year or two, it was up as high as $2,000 per share. So if you consider the split, it is a great price right now at $40.70. I believe, in my opinion, that Shopify is a great investment at this price. Guys, if we take a look at Shopify for a few different reasons, right? And this is why I love the company right now, is year to date, we're looking at Shopify down just around 74 to 78%. For the quarter has been down 48%. And of course, for the month, it is up 3.02%. And for the week, we have seen it's down 12%. So that's the easier way of looking at Shopify. But what I suggest, guys, do some research first. If you're not familiar with the company, then you can see that Shopify is a company that offers you, again, it's a platform that allows you to list your product anywhere in the world and sell to any customer anywhere in the world. Allows you to host your website, take payments, help you get set up, marketing. So it is a great opportunity for investors at this point to take advantage. Now, as I said, if we look back 2 years and the chart here, we're taking a look back here in 2021, November, December is when I sold the last amount of my shares. Now, you guys know that I was in Shopify for a very long time. For those of you guys that has been subscribed to my channel for a very long time. Now, I have been in Shopify from, I believe, just around 2015, 16, around that time. So if we go back, even with the split around that time, you can see roughly less than $10 per share. Now, however, my price was around 120, and I bought some shares around $96 as well. And then we're able to sell above $18.50 per share. That was back in 2021 December. So if we take a look, that's a huge amount of profit compared to what we purchased. We have seen more than 1,400 gain in percentage wise, I would say. So now it's a great opportunity for anyone that's looking for the stock to try to duplicate the same kind of run. And this is why I'm creating this video, is because I'm trying to go back in to do, or to try to accomplish what I've accomplished before. And is that try to make a tenfold, try to profit more than 1,000%. So basically the price right now is $40.70. So I'm looking at a target for myself personally, of $400 per share. So I'm willing to go long term and be patient to see if we can get it anywhere up back between $250 and $400 per share. Now, a lot of people will say that's impossible. That's what I was told back in 2015, 2016. It's impossible. And hey, we were able to touch more than what we thought was impossible. Now, guys, the same thing go for Tesla again. On a pre-split, I was in it around 185 per share. We saw that goes over 2200 per share before the split. So it is possible in the stock market to make those type of profit. You just got to be patient. Now, if you're thinking about investing in Shopify, I would strongly recommend that you do some research. There is a ton of good news that's coming out for Shopify as well. We have read that Shopify is setting up their POS system for our customers in Asia to be able to sell to their customers anywhere. We have seen the acquisition of Deliver R. So there's a ton of news that you can do some research to see if you think that Shopify is a good investment for you. There is a ton of different investors that starting to invest right now. We can see investor like Cathy Wood and a few other guys from Wall Street are starting to chive on in. We want to invest in Shopify at a lower price to make sure we can make profit. If we wait until it's too late, we won't be able to make that huge profit that we'd like to make. So, guys, I don't want to sound like a salesperson. I just want to bring this to you that this is a great opportunity, in my opinion. Do some research to see if it's something for you. If you decide to get some shares in Shopify, then definitely let me know. We can see here on closing on Friday, it was up just 1.3%. For the day, again, we can see POS hardware with integrated Shopify payments. In Singapore, as I said before, we can see the acquisition of Deliver R. There's a ton of different news that's coming up, but the main goal of this actual video is to make sure that you make the best decision for you. For those of you that's trading on the US exchange, is the ticker symbol is still the same, SHOP, SHOP. We can see that it closed off the day at 31.27. If you want to take into more detail to see what's going on, we can see it has a day high of 31.84, day low of $30.02. We can see previous day, we can see close around the same thing at $30.67. We can see here close on this Friday at 31.27. And for those of you guys that's actually trading on the Canadian side, we can see similar information closed off at $40.17 on previous day, and on Friday closed off of $40.70. So you want to keep an eye on that. We have seen it's bouncing in the week. We have seen a week high of $45.65, a week low of below $39.20. So it's key to know that this stock can move, and you just want to be in it at the right time. You don't want to wait and then start to chase prices, and that's how we get in trouble, is because if we wait and buy at a high price, then we get stuck holding a position that you do not want to keep holding. So again, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are buying shares in Shopify's, if you guys are staying away, and what you guys think overall, if you think Shopify is a great investment for you. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great weekend, and let's make some money this week, guys, and let us know how we make our decision in terms of Shopify.